Good day, everyone, and welcome to another learning opportunity here on Lessons Made Easy. Today, we will be talking about percentages. Percentages are commonly used in our daily lives. For instance, we try to figure out how much does an item cost as a certain discount. Even in product labels, you can find the contents which are shown in percentages. In this video, we will also be discussing about the relationship of percent to fraction and decimal. So let's get started. The root word cent is a Latin word for hundred, and the prefix per means for each or for every. In short, percent means out of 100. In this illustration, it is clear that percentage can be expressed in fraction. In fact, percent is a special fraction in which the denominator is always 100. Say, for example, 80%. To express in fractions, simply remove the percentage sign and copy the same number and write 100 as the denominator. Let's take 25%. Take out the percentage sign, copy 25, and write over 100. There you have it, as simple as that. So, 3% in fraction is 3 over 100, 91% is 91 over 100, 43% is 43 over 100, and 5% is 5 over 100. In the same manner, we can convert fractions to percentages. Look at this example, 36 over 100. To convert this into percentage, simply copy the number, remove the denominator 100, and write the percentage sign instead. Another example, 7 over 100 is as simple as 7 without the denominator 100, then add the percentage sign. So 21 over 100 is 21%. 47 over 100 is 47%. That easy, right? You would probably be wondering, what about fractions with denominators other than 100? 2 over 5, for example. Remember earlier we said percent is a special fraction with a denominator of 100. In here, simply divide 100 by 5 or think of a number to multiply by 5 that would give you 100. In this case, it's 20. So do the same with 2. 2 times 20 is 40. So 2 over 5 is 40%. What about for improper fractions like 5 over 4? We'll do the same. Percent is a special fraction with the denominator of 100. Simply divide 100 by 4 or think of a number to multiply by 4 that gives you 100. And that number is 25. Same thing you need to do is multiply 5 by 25 and you get 125. So 5 over 4 is 125%. What about fractions with two-digit integers in their numerator and denominator, like this one, 11 over 20? The same concept is applied. Percent is a special fraction with 100 as the denominator. Divide 100 by 20 or multiply 20 with a number that gives a product of 100. That number is 5. Do the same with 11. So 11 times 5 is 55. 11 over 20 is 55%. Let's try this one. 19 over 25. Percent is over 100. So divide 100 by 25 or multiply 25 with a number that gives a product of 100. That number is 4. Do the same with 19. We have 4 times 19 equals 76. It means that 19 over 25 is 76%. Converting fractions to percentages is pretty simple. But fractions with denominators that is not a factor of 100 needs extra work. Like this one, 5 over 8. Percent is a special fraction with 100 as a denominator. However, 8 is not a factor of 100. What should you do? In this case, we multiply the fraction by 100. Since 100 is a whole number, converting it to fraction comes with 1 as the denominator. We now have 5 times 100 as 500 and 8 times 1 remains 8, leaving us with a fraction of 500 over 8 or 500 divided by 8. The line that goes between the numbers in a fraction means divide. Dividing 500 by 8, the quotient is 62.5. It means that 500 divided by 8 is 62.5%. This time, let's try converting decimals to percentages. See this example, 0.28. To change this number to percent, simply multiply the decimal number by 100. But multiplying numbers with powers of 10, such as 100, is so easy. There is no need to do long multiplication. And since 100 consists of 2 zeros, simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right, this way, and add the percentage sign. So 0.28 is 28%. 0.53, for example, just move 2 places to the right and add the percentage sign. We now have 53%. The decimal number 1.25, move 2 places to the right, write the percent symbol, we now have 125%. We can easily convert percentages back to decimals. All we need to do is divide the number by 100 or just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. This way. See this example. 23%. Divide the number by 100, or the easiest thing to do is just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. But where can you find the decimal points? 23 is a whole number, which means the decimal point is right behind the digit in the ones place, right here. Remember, 23.0 is the same as 23. Move 2 places to the left, so 23% is 0.23. Here is another one, 115%, and the decimal point is right behind 5. Then move 2 places to the left, so 115% is equals to 1.15. What about if the number is a single-digit number, like 7%? Since we have to move 2 places to the left, and 7 is a single-digit number, we need one more. And the only digit that we can use is 0. But why 0? Why not any other digit? This is because 0 takes the place but does not change the value of the number. Just like 1 is the same as 01. 2 is the same as 02. So 7 is just the same as 07. And 7% in decimal is 0.07. This time, let's try to answer a few questions. You can always pause this video if you needed more time. The answers will be revealed to you right after each question. So here is the first one. What percentage is the same as 1/2? Is it 20%, 40%, 50%, or 80%? The correct answer is 50%. Here is the next one. Convert the fraction 3/4 into percentage. Will it be 75%, 55%, 45%, or 25%. So the fraction 3/4 is 75%. Let's try this question. Which of these has the greatest value? Is it 80%, 63/100, 0.9, or 1/2? So which do you think has the greatest value? The correct answer is 0.9. Before we finally end our lesson, try to complete the table for fraction, decimal, and percent. See the given example. 3/4 in decimal is 0.75, which is the same as 75%. Now, try doing this by yourself. Fill in the missing number for number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can always pause the video if you needed more time to think about it. Let's check if your answers are correct. For number 1, the answer is 0.4 or 0.40. They're the same. For number 2, it's 12%. Number 3, it's 19/100. Number 4, it's 0.44. And for last number 5, it's 44%. Now, were you able to answer all questions correctly? You did great for sure, so let me know in the comment below. And that would be all for this lesson. And if you find this video useful, hit the like button and share to people you know, for this may also be helpful for them. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educational videos only here on Lessons Made Easy. Once again, this is Teacher Belle saying thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you again in our next lesson.